like, comment, subscribe. Hey guys, it's me, Talia Arisa Gibson. You can call me Tag for short, and welcome to my channel. Guess what? I am cooking again. I'm back in the kitchen with another recipe. This time I'm going to be making a ground turkey, kind of an Asian style ground turkey with some French style green beans and white rice. I hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned. I am going to be using some ground turkey, also some minced garlic, green beans, French slice. I'm going to make some white rice. This is a sauce that I made, which includes hoisin sauce, soy sauce, as well as some sriracha. Then here I have a jalapeno and some onion. So I'm going to be making a little bit of an Asian style ground turkey with rice and green beans. So let's get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this going with some ground turkey. Okay, so now I have a pot going, and I'm gonna make the white rice. So I'm going to put in 1 cup of beef broth and 1 cup of water. Now put about a teaspoon of salt, a little less than a teaspoon. To give the rice some flavor as it cooks. I usually use chicken broth, but since I'm kind of doing like an Asian style, I thought, well, I'm using turkey, let's try it with beef broth. Okay, so I've moved my meat over, and now I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil on this side of the pan. I'm going to put a little bit of onion. And also, I'm going to add jalapeno. And I'm gonna saute this up a bit. Add a spoonful of garlic, minced garlic. Smells really good. All right, so now I'm going to mix in my meat, the jalapenos and onions. Gonna add some ginger. Basil. And let's put in the sauce. Again, this is hoisin, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and sriracha. All right, let's do the green beans. I'm gonna put some olive oil. The rest of my chopped onion. Okay, so I moved some of my green beans into the meat mixture to get some of the sauce from the meat. So as you can see here, I have some containers that I have for meal prep. I've added my rice, and so now I'm just gonna add the meat. And I think what I'll do, just to make sure it all fits, I'm gonna spread out the rice so it coats the bottom, and I'll put the meat and green beans on top of the rice. So what I'm gonna do now is I have my meat and green beans here. So I'm gonna take a spoonful of the green beans. All right, so now I'm just gonna drizzle, take some sriracha and drizzle. Do a little drizzle. And that is my little turkey and rice Asian style meal. I don't really have a name for it, but hey, that's it. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for cooking with me. Try it out and let me know what you think. If you have any recipes that you think I would enjoy trying out, put them in the comment section below and maybe I'll use them in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and of course hit that bell notification so you'll know when I post. I'll see you next time.